add another guy to the competitive mix. That guy who we have not seen since what? Fox Raceway after re-aggravating the same thumb he hurt in Nashville. That guy right there, Garrett Marchbanks, will be back for Southwick, which is awesome. Personally, I think, like I say, everything, more competition, more riders, more people out racing, it's only going to make things good. And coming from the Club MX team manager, Mike Bonacci, sorry again if I butcher the last name, it's just going to be a thing. Says, quote, Garrett Marchbanks will return to service. Remember him? Question mark. He will on Saturday. Certainly, we should expect his race form and race endurance to take a few weeks to redevelop, but he's still a top 10 contender right out of the gate. We are happy to have him back. And like I said, so am I. Obviously, this is the fifth round, so he's out of the championship battle. You're so far behind the points, it doesn't even matter. But if you start just bringing more people in, that means he could take some top fives, some top tens, maybe a podium, or just steal some points from other people. And it never hurts to have, like, again, more competitors. The more people you have racing, the better the product's going to be, the better it's going to watch, the better it's just going to be for everything. And I want to see the most people racing possible that are, you know, competitive, going to actually be up front, racing well, being fast, not just space fillers. But I don't know, I'm excited. Obviously, I like Southwick, I like motocross, and the two combined are very good. So I don't know. Comments down below. Tell me, how do you think he does? Obviously, the first week is going to be not very fit or whatever, but in the overall, where do you think he does? Is he a top 10 guy, top 5 guy? Whatever it is, who do you think wins 250s and 450s title overall? Whatever. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.